All right, the next data trick that I want to show you is called split text. And if you ever need a refresher on this, if you just remember to Google the term split text, there will be other instructions on this, but always feel free to refer back to this video as well. Split text is useful anytime you have a whole bunch of data in one cell that you want to be split into multiple columns. So in this example, you can see they've got Dr. Martin's, and then they've got this down slash, and then, you know, the type of boot that it is, another down slash, like another type and color. Like there's all sorts of data in just this one cell, and we want to split that out because having each of these, I'll call it like data descriptors, having each of these descriptors or descriptions in separate columns just allows us to do better pivot tables and visualizations on top of that. So there are actually two ways to do this, and so I'm going to show you both of those ways. So the first is just a where you use this, you actually name the indicator or where it should start splitting off. And this will make much more sense when I actually show you. So what you want to do is click and highlight all of the data that this applies to. So as you can see, I have all of the data selected for which I want to do the split. Then you're going to go to the top menu and click on data. And then towards the bottom, there's this split text to columns. So when you choose that, you'll see down here, there's this gray separator box. Detect automatically. It's nice because sometimes it will guess, and if you're unsure, you could try that. But I already know that I want it to be this downline thing, and I need to look up the name of that. But in this case, I would choose custom, and then you're going to type in there the item that it's doing, and it'll even give you this nice preview. So for example, if I delete that out and put something else, it actually puts it back together. So it's nice because you can kind of try different things and preview it. So then if you click out of there, that just accepts what you just did. And so now, as you can see, we've got some nice, like some more ways to distinguish between the data. Now, as you can see, some of this is not perfect, especially over here where this multi-eyelets got broken off, but it's at least a lot better than what it was before. And so you could continue to do different splits depending on what you're working with. So for example, like this dash might be another place. All right, so the second way to split text is if you have a straight line down a certain part of all of the data. So here you can see a consistency where Vans, you know, all of the data has this commonality of Vans, like we can split it right after the word Vans. And so for that, you would highlight it as well, and then you would go to data, split text to columns. Because it already recognizes this, it's defaulting to the detect automatically. And so then here, you know, in this case, we just wanted to know that it was Vans.